Thriller movies always creates an elevated sense of anticipation, surprise, anxiety. So here are 5 best thriller movies that you can watch right now. Welcome to Chai Kahani and let's get started. Number 1. Psycho. This movie Psycho is about a serial killer who abducts and kills women. So when Gautam's love interest is kidnapped by the killer, how the investigation proceeds forms the plot of the story. But there are 2 main highlights for this. The first one being Gautam is blind, and how a blind person goes forward in the investigation is very interesting to watch in this movie, and this is what makes it unique in its way. And the second highlight of the movie being the first time a director makes us think from the point of view of a serial killer. Is it good or bad? Not sure, but this movie is really interesting and worthwhile of your time. So the movie is available right now in Netflix, so if you like my explanation, please do watch. Number 2. Visaranai. The movie Visaranai means interrogation. So a group of immigrant workers are tortured to plead guilty for a crime they haven't committed. So when a policeman sets them free, but in return asks them for a favor, so what are the consequences of that? So what will happen next? This forms the main or the crucial part of the story. But let me tell you guys, the way scenes are being portrayed or they have been shown are very disturbing and not for the faint hearted. But that's what this movie is all about. Harsh reality or the things immigrant workers face in each and every part of the country. And by the way, the movie has won 2 national awards, one for the best film and one for the best supporting actor. So I believe this movie is definitely worth your time, and it's available right now on Netflix. Number 3. Tadam. In the movie Tadam, during investigation of a murder, the police finds a prime suspect. But that's not it. When the investigation proceeds further, the police comes to know that the prime suspect has also a twin brother. This is where things get complicated. So will the police be able to prove anything or not? That forms the most important part of the story. The movie is a masterpiece on its own, and also the movie is being remade into Telugu as Red, and also there are news floating around that is also being remade into Bollywood starring Siddharth Malhotra. Any more further details would be spoilers, so definitely watch this amazing flick on Jio Cinema. Number 4. Freedom at Midnight. Regarding the movie Freedom at Midnight, I thought it's just a routine movie where a bunch of people escape from the jail. But boy, I was wrong. First of all, the movie stars Angamali Diaries fame Anthony Verghese. So the storyline goes in this way. After he gets imprisoned after an alleged murder, how he befriends his inmates and plans the escape forms the main storyline of the movie. But will he be able to succeed or not? You have to definitely watch this. But the important aspect is that, again in this movie, the reality is being shown. The movie is available on Netflix and a must watch. Number 5. GV. Even though mentioned last, this movie deserves a watch for its new concept. The storyline of the movie is that a brilliant man plans to steal from his landlady. After he pulls off the theft, strange coincidences started to happen in his family and with the landlady. Watching this movie literally gives chills down his spine. Based on the new concept of triangular theory, this movie is a must watch for all the thrill lovers. It is available right now on Amazon Prime. This completes the list, guys, and thanks for watching. These are my personal favorites in the recent times. Please hit the like button and subscribe for such amazing content. Thank you.